The next one we're going to do is just a standard DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Now you could just put it straight on and then wire it to whatever, but again I like things to be removable, so I will cut these off and make that like that. And I just realized it wasn't recording, but all I did was take these and snip a piece off of that and then, you know, kind of just trim it up, you know. As an example, I would just do like that. Like that. Alright. So now that we're going to do the DHT sensor, now we got this thing glued down, it's not going to get in our way as much anymore, hopefully. So we'll get it under here to get it completely out of our way. And we'll just throw this one right here. And again, I always try to opt to use the middle whenever possible. But alright, so there's the first one. It actually looks like it's pretty flush, so this should go pretty quick. The second one, third one, and then fix the first one. Alright, nice clean looking solder there. So now we need to grab the DHT sensor and put it where we're going to put it. Now let's just say we're going to put it right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a negative, the out, and the positive. So simply put, we are going to run the positive to the positive side. So we'll probably do the one behind it, and then negative to the negative side. Well, we'll probably just do both positive, negative here, and then we'll go and do the out to wherever. I always like to start them off at the same size, but I'll probably trim them both down. Alright, now we got that. You see, remember the negative is this one, so negative will be this 1, 2, 3. So negative to negative. And then the positive is the opposite side. So positive to positive. Like that. And then now we're just going to push it through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to run the control input to the Weemless board, and I'm probably going to use pin D5, which is right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 down. So, and this 22 gauge wire is so cheap, that's why I don't mind just cutting it a little bit more, because I'd rather cut a little bit too much, cut a little bit off, than cut not enough and just toss it, because these wires just fill up bins so quick if you do that way. But we said it was 4 down, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to put it in the middle just to make it easy to get to. And I just noticed this green one's sticking out, so I'm going to fix that one too first. There we go. Alright, now that we got that there, all we got to do now is run it here to the middle. left is to trim. So, snip, snip. And that's it. Flip it back. And then now we have a D1 sensor hooked up and ready to be used. And if it goes bad, just pull it off, throw it away.